All right, we got another Ducati that came in. Basically, this is going to be what that paperwork. 2019 Ducati 797 Monster. Basically, they send us the ignition. We got to figure out what the cuts off scratch. They send us the dashboard. So we're going to, once we figure out, we're going to take these blank keys, cut them. Once we figure out what the cuts are, make sure the key works the ignition nice and smooth. Then we go to phase 2, which is programming the chips, which is chips like this. We'll drop them into the keys, program them to the dashboard, and voila, that's it. It'll be plug and play at that point. All right, we're back. This puppy's done. Basically, this is what you have here. Park, lock, steering bolt lock retracts, on, off, key 1, on, off, steering bolt lock shoots out, park, there you go, comes out in park, turn it back off. That's it. These keys are programmed. They do have chips in them. Turn this thing on. All right, based on that one, that's number 2. And that's the data for number 1. That's about it. This baby is plug and play at this point. Now, those of you that's having a problem finding people in your area, a couple reasons. Maybe they don't get a lot of these jobs, so it doesn't make sense to invest in the equipment. Or they just don't have the training. It could be either or. That's about it. You need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what I need, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take. And that's about it. Just go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you for watching.